In the last video of the flagship POCO X4 GT, we got to know the drop impact resistance of its body and tested its build quality in terms of its structural integrity. In this video, we'll test the scratch resistance quality of the tempered glass production and the water resistance capabilities of its build. It's a bit weird that after a string of multiple devices with IP ratings on both mid-rangers and flagships, Mi has suddenly opted not to implement at least an IP53 rating on the POCO X4 GT like it always used to do on recent and past devices. And looking at some dismal records of Mi devices in the past, they tend to perform very poorly in our water tests without IP certification as opposed to devices with IP. So of course we are slightly tensed since anything can happen, a full-blown permanent display damage included. Very much possible if in fact there is actually no IP rated water resistance like IP53. We are almost done with the initial round of water abusing the POCO F4 GT. Mi has never disappointed us on any of the devices by not installing an olophobic layer. Same story here on the POCO F4 GT as well. A big kudos for that, unlike on some BBK devices which always do not give olophobic coating as a means to cost cut. Also, at this starting stage, there are no instances of low volume or distortions from both stereo speakers, which may signify initial stages of liquid damage. That is the primary reason we are already at the light splashing round, a harmless looking yet deceptive round, since it has the capability to permanently inflict display and motherboard damages in some devices. We are gradually starting to gain some trust on the POCO X4 GT, even though it is not officially certified with any Ingress ratings, since it seems to behave like any other Mi device with IP53. No audio issues as yet. The sound output has been ultra stable until now, even after a decent amount of liquid abuse. The presence of the orange rubber sealant gives some further assurance of water resistance and proves the fact that the POCO X4 GT might actually have unofficial IP rating, just not made official to save cost of production. This is a bit weird since they are making it official on many of the mid-rangers these days. So let's continue water abusing the X4 GT and see how far it can go without facing liquid issues. We did not face headphone icon issue, camera fogging or any other temporary issues on the GT, with the audio recovering almost instantly. The POCO X4 GT passes a water test with ease, one of the best liquid resistance on a flagship device without IP. Next, how is the scratch resistance quality of the tempered glass production on the X4 GT? A 64 megapixel CMOS backside illumination primary sensor, 8 megapixel 120 degrees ultra wide lens and a 2 megapixel 2.4 lens for macro shots. We are fairly confident the POCO X4 GT should be able to survive the blade and scissor abuse, since Mi and POCO have yet to fail on the channel. They have consistently been using high quality glass production, unlike some BBK devices with no olophobic coating, poor quality glass productions, consistent fails and permanent marks. Weird since steel isn't supposed to damage glass according to the Mohs scale of hardness. Also, the GT does have olophobic as just proven in the previous test. Mi and POCO have once again given us an awesome quality Corning product. The POCO X4 GT passes our scratch test and is the best value for money flagship this year.